Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I'm Keisha Michelle. I just wanted to show y'all something real quick. A question that I get asked a lot on my channel is how many grapes can you make with one batch of candy? So I use the 4-3-1, 4 cups of sugar, 3 cups of water, 1 cup of Karo. That's the recipe that I use, and I'm gonna show you guys what I got going on right now. So this is my leftover candy. Don't worry, the pieces of fruit roll-up that is in the candy, this is what I have left from the batch that I just completed. It is drying out, that's why it looked like that. It's like a tiny bit more. I was able to dip all of my grapes. I lost 1 grape in the mixture. Here is all the grapes that I have dipped from 1 batch of candy, and here is the one that got lost, okay? So this is 95 grapes that I was able to dip. These grapes are very large. Let me show you. Very large. So if these grapes were smaller, I would actually have been able to make even more grapes than this. And I don't really like doubling the recipe, just because in my experience, when I double the recipe, whenever I go to reheat the candy mixture as it starts to get thick, it will kind of like start to seize on me, and that means that I can no longer use that candy because it won't even have the same texture as these. So I just figured that I would show these to you guys. The candy is not melting. That's just a section where the Jolly Ranchers didn't make it, okay? But my candy is holding up very well, as you can see. And like I said, I was able to dip 95 grapes using the 4-3-1 method. 95 very, very, very large grapes, okay? So let me know if you guys have any questions in the comment section, and I will try my hardest to answer all of your questions that you may have. Well, now that we have determined that we were able to dip 95 grapes in 1 batch of candy, we're now going to package them up, see how many we can get with 95 grapes, how many orders we can get with 95 grapes. These are the different sizes that I offer. I offer small, which is 16 ounces. I offer large, which is 32 ounces. And I offer medium as well. This is actually a new thing. These come with standard plain lids. I'm going to show you the lids for the medium cups. So these are the standard lids for the small and the large. These are the standard lids for my medium size. They're like slushy cups, but they don't have an opening on the top. I'll be sure to link all of these down below in the description box so you can get you some of them, okay? So let's go ahead and get started with packaging up these grape orders. For the bottom of my grape orders for today, I'm going to be putting garnishing with gummy worms and lemon slices. The theme for this is like tropical peach punch. I blended up some fruit punch, some peach, fruit punch, peach, and strawberry flavored Jolly Ranchers. These are a mixture of all the Jolly Ranchers, but the base flavor is peach. And we're just going to put a few of these at the bottom of each package. Sorry if y'all can't hear me. My son is watching TV in the background. So, here we go. Taking a small container, dropping in a few gummy worms. I'm gonna take a few of those out. I know for a fact I have 2 small orders of grapes. And these smell so good. These are the Very Berry Jolly Ranchers, y'all. Whether you believe it or not, customers actually do eat this candy. I've had customers say that they aren't a fan of certain types of candy. Like, I had one customer say that she wasn't a fan of gummy worms or sour gummy worms. So next time she ordered from me, she loved the grapes, wasn't a fan of the gummy worms, which I don't charge extra for the garnish candy, it's complimentary. You know what I'm saying? So don't spend too much time on that. More so focus on the actual product that you're offering, okay? So we have one grape in here. I think I'm gonna do a combination of the different grapes here. 2, 3, these grapes are very large. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have 8 grapes in the small containers. Usually I go in and garnish with a fruit roll-up covered grape, but I don't know if I'm gonna have space for that in here.
Mr. Rebel, are you there? Are you talking to me? Are you calling to me?
We have 2 small grape orders right
Mr.
here.
Rebel, call me my
Let's go in with the large.
Yeah. Mr. Rebel, are you there? Are you on me? Are you scared? Are you in? Are you out? What do you want? What do you say to me now? Falling, you're falling behind. Finally gone, I'm the one with the winning prize. I'll be the gun, I'm the run, I'll be shooting times. I'm the sound on the ground, I'm the winning sound. I'm the crown, I'm the vibe, I'm the leading vibe. You move me to my mind. I've been out, I've been out the other side. You take me out, I know you to be my friend. I've been down, I've been out now.
13, 14. I was able to fit 14 grapes in here, y'all. Usually I'm able to fit about 16 if they're like standard size grapes or medium size grapes. But here I was only able to fit 14. I'll be right back when I am done packaging them up. Okay, y'all, so I was able to get 5 large and 3 medium out of this batch, which is awesome. That is so awesome. I'm gonna insert the amount based according to my prices. I'm gonna tell you guys how much grapes this is worth, and just so you can kind of get like a little insight of, like, you know. I added in these really cute little lemon slices or grapefruit slices. They're super cute. I thought it looked really good with and the camera is really not showing an accurate color here. I don't know why, but they are way more pink. I'm gonna see if I can take a picture or something to kind of show you guys, give you guys a better view of like what color these grapes are. They look a little gray ash, but they're more like baby pink. So